Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another lesson with us here at English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And I'm Sarah.
That's right. And today we're going to focus on everyday conversations that you can use in daily life.
Yes, simple, easy, and very useful English phrases.
Let's start with greetings. Sarah, how do we greet someone in English?
Well, the most common way is to say hello or hi. You can also say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Great. And when someone asks, how are you, what can we reply?
You can say, I'm good, thank you. And you? Or I'm fine, thanks. It's polite to ask back.
Perfect. Now, let's move to shopping conversations. Imagine you're in a shop. Sarah, what can you say to the shopkeeper?
You can ask, how much is this? Or, do you have this in a different size?
And if you like it, you can say, I'll take it, please.
Exactly. And don't forget to say thank you when you leave.
Now let's talk about ordering food at a restaurant.
You can start with, can I see the menu, please?
And then, I would like a pizza, please. Or, can I have a coffee?
Don't forget to ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please?
Great. Moving on to asking for directions.
If you're lost, you can ask, excuse me, where is the bus station? Or how can I get to the train station?
And people will usually reply, go straight, then turn left. Or, it's near the supermarket.
See? Simple English phrases can help you a lot in daily life.
Absolutely. Now, let's practice a short dialogue together.
Okay.
Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Adam. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, too. What are you doing today?
I'm going shopping. How about you?
I'm going to the library.
That sounds nice.
Great. So, try to use these phrases in your daily life. It will improve your English fast.
That's right. Remember, practice is key.
That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast Home for more lessons.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!